A lot of people ask, what do I do? Well, let me tell you something. I've been a real estate agent for 20 years. I still do real estate. I don't do real estate agent as a full-time anymore because I discovered a strategy that makes way more than a commission check. And what I mean by a commission check is, as you guys know, as we represent these buyers and sellers, they're trying to take away our commissions, even though we work 3 to 6 months without getting paid. So while we're helping sellers or helping buyers show them houses, list their house, we're spending all this time and sometimes we never get paid. Well, how about if I showed you a niche that I do full time? It's called tax deed and overages. Click the link below and join my community, and I'm going to teach you about how I use this strategy to supplement my commission checks from the real estate agent industry. Click the link below.